It is the final channel, Zanera alongside SPV Graphics. Mawulire tulina essaawa eno ga omukyala First Lady wa People Power, that is Barbie Kyagulanyi Sentamu. Waliwo post ebadde etambula ng'eraga nti omukyala ono agenda kwesimbawo mu kifo ekyo addire mu bbaawe because bbaawe agenda kubwa president, that is Bobi Wine. Avuddeyo n'agamba ebyo si bituufu, bamusibako matu ga nkoko oba matu ga kikino okumuliisa abatamiivu. Avuddeyo n'agamba ye project gy'alina omwaka guno yakolera Caring Arts Uganda foundation ye yafokasinzeeko okulaba nga ayamba abantu mu ngeri ez'enjawulo. Mumuwulireko.
So guys, if I allow me to say have a lovely day everyone. Thank you very much for joining this live video, and we are waiting to see your response. Don't forget, we are collecting reusable sanitary pads which you can access in any we are collecting reusable sanitary pads which we are going to be distributing in schools, because we have so many schools we'll be visiting this year, and they really need someone to stand with them, especially the girl child in that school. And as you know, the main reason that girls do not stay in school is because they do not know how to manage their menstrual hygiene, or they cannot afford to buy themselves a sanitary pad when they are in that time of the month. So please join us, support us. We are collecting reusable sanitary pads. I know you would find it easier to send money to us, but I would ask that you please find a way of giving us a reusable sanitary pad. When we get to a time of collecting money, I still will let us all know. Okay, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. I appreciate everyone who has given us business who gave us business in 2019, everyone that gave us business at One Love Beach, especially the business of Deco. You are the real guys. You have done a good job. You have managed to set off this project. It is out of the profits that I have made from the deco that you gave us since January 2019 to December 2019 that we have saved some money, which is going to kick off this project. So guys, if you have a small event, if you have a big event, we host birthdays, we host weddings, we host all kinds of gatherings. If you really want to bring change and cause a turnaround in the lives of the girl child in Uganda, please give us business, because the money that we get as profits is used for the benefit of the girls in this country. Thank you guys. Mbagala nnyo. I can't stay for so long. I love you. Thank you very much for tuning in. I wait to see you bring your sanitary pads in Kamocha. I will be very, very, very glad. Thank you. Ciao. Have a good day. Lindo, are you feeling any better?
No, I feel much better.
Okay, that's good. Bye guys. See you. Thank you for tuning in.
Eyo yonna campaign gye baliko yakugamba nti abantu bano beeyagaliza nnyo ekitali ekyo, because abamanyi amazima bagamanyi. Kati gw'omulabi wa The Final Channel okusalawo kukwo. It is a final channel, Zanera alongside SPV Graphics. Of course, nga tuli wamu ne Half Cloud, kosobola okugenda n'ofuna interviews affe zonna. We out.